Let's look into this video and know about memorandum and how to write it. Memos are the small pieces of information that are circulated in the office or put up on notice boards to convey information, announce news or inform something. There are 5 main types of memos issued at a workplace. They are policies, instructions, procedures, announcements, and reports. There are 3 sections in a memorandum: the heading, which includes the title of the memo; the subject, which explains the aim of the memo; and the message, which includes the details. These are the 6 elements in a memorandum. Now, let's look at 15 simple steps to write an informative memorandum. Step 1, write a heading memorandum. Step 2, add receiver's address. Step 3, include CC, if needed. Step 4, add sender's address. Step 5, add the issued date. Step 6, add an interesting subject line. Step 7, categorize body into 3 parts. Step 8, introduce the problem in the first paragraph. Step 9, support information with evidence in the second. Step 10, suggest solutions for problems in third. Step 11, add a positive summary. Step 12, format the memo. Step 13, edit and proofread the memo. Step 14, write initials on it. Step 15, use a template and deliver. These are some points we've covered in this video. Hope now you can draft an informative memo easily. All the best.